Hey, what's up guys, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And this episode of Tips and Tricks is fully inspired by Unbox Therapy's this video, but this video does not work anymore, but this one is working in 2020. Alright, let's see how we can play YouTube videos on the background on our Android phone. But if you want to do the same thing on your iPhone, these iPhones, then you can watch this video, and the link of this video is in the description, so you can definitely check it out. So what you have to do on your Android phone is so simple. Go to Chrome and wait a little until your Chrome loads. My phone is also slow. So now let's go to youtube.com. Done. And we're just waiting for YouTube, and here you can see YouTube already loaded. So let's see how you can play these videos in the background. Right now, if I click on any video here, you will be able to see some notifications that all of these videos will start playing. Here you can see, and if I go outside, it pauses. But what you have to do is very simple. Go to Chrome again, just click on this single dots. Here you can see the single dots, and click on this, and after that go to desktop site and wait a little until it loads, and let it load. My Wi-Fi is a little slow. Okay, the video loaded. Wait it to load. Now simply click on this place and your video will start. Now just go outside and simply start.
On any iPad feel more like paper.
Can you see that we can literally use any applications right now? If we want, we can use like UC browser, we can use another page of YouTube. Wait, UC browser is really bad browser. Let's go to files, and here you can see that we can use files, we can use any kind of application, and the video is also playing in the background. Isn't it cool? If you like this one, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like this video, be sure to stay with me because there are hundreds of tips and tricks coming soon, very soon on this channel. You don't want to miss those videos because those will really help you. Anyway, that was all for this one. Hopefully you really enjoyed. See you in another one. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe.